The body of Olaniwaju Fasashi, also known as Sultan, a singer, has been laid to rest. He was buried in a cemetery in New Jersey yesterday, July 11, in accordance with Islamic doctrine. Farida Fasashi, his wife, sobbed uncontrollably throughout the funeral, laying her head on his casket at one point. May his soul rest in peace.
Alright guys, we're back live. So sorry, the other session expired, but we're back live right now.
Check out it in sorrow. What's in sorrow?
It's on.
Okay, he's talking now. Okay, we'll try not to buy Chichi.
This is the family.
Only can be for Abu.
Chichi's not gonna take it, not right now.
You're not mute. It's not even mute. It's not even mute. Right.
We can hear you. Okay. Just keep it on. Keep your side on mute, please.
No. I saw what I'm playing, but boy, it's about to ready.
Iyabo, among several celebrities, took to her official Instagram page to react to this sad news. Iyabo said Sultan's death came as a rude shock to her and he left too soon. Recounting on how they met, the mother of two said that Sultan walked up to her during one of the Edis Award nights and he told her how much he made him laugh with her TikTok videos.
Guess what?